Hi, I'm Romana from the Bake Studio in Johannesburg. I had a lot of inquiries about my fidget spinner cake, so I put together a tutorial for you. It's step by step and easy. I hope you enjoy it.
Begin by drawing an equal triangle on parchment paper. Place parchment paper circles where the cakes will be and draw around them to make a stencil. Connect the circles with a curve and cut out the spinner stencil. Place that on the foam card and draw around it. With a sharp cutter, cut out 2 fidget spinner boards. One will be for the cake and the other for the spinning board. This is a swivel. This will allow the cake to spin. It can be easily found in any hardware store. Using a hot glue gun, stick the swivel down onto the square board. Glue down the other side and stick the fidget spinner board. Press down firmly. The board should easily spin now, and you can already start with your cakes. Slice them down the middle. Use simple sugar syrup to soak them, and then use buttercream as the filling. Place these cakes on the board whilst you do them. Put the center cake in the center and cut out edges to make it fit. Now continue to buttercream crumb coat the whole cake and refrigerate for 1 hour. Get ready to do some fondant work. Roll out the fondant and cover the cake. Gently work the sides. Cut out the excess and smooth over with a cake smoother. Using a spray gun, spray your board, or you can leave it white, or you can tint the fondant before you cover. Now spray the cake. Again, you can tint the fondant beforehand, if that's what you prefer. Sprinkle over some edible glitter. This is what it will look like under lights. Stick down onto the board with some hot glue. Now prepare your accents. Stick down the 3 circles with some water and then stick them down onto your cake. You can also add any other detail that you'd like in your design. And there you have it, fidget spinner cake that spins.